Hello and welcome back to the final video from Simply Web in converting a flat file HTML into a working WordPress theme. My name's John, and as I said, this has been an epic journey in creating this, but we are on the final page, and that is where we last left off, was creating the archive page for our post categories. So if we look at our template hierarchy, here we go. If we look at the template hierarchy, we want category archive is called just category.php or archive.php. And because we don't have a default archive PHP, that is the one we are going to create right now. So in our root, we're going to create archive.php. We are going to get the header. And then get footer. If I could type. Okay, there we go. PHP get footer. Now if we refresh this, nothing will change. Boom, there we go. So let's start off with the hero like we did. So in the hero, we want to go in a hero. We want category, or we want archive hero. Let's call it archive hero .php. So we go to our header.php file. Actually, we'll just duplicate this for now. Oops. Copy that and just drop that into our archive hero. We'll come back to that in a second. So in our header, we've got if is archive. We have not put a archive in there, so we want to just go header archive. So now if we refresh, there we go. So breadcrumbs is fine. Let's change this though to a query. So what we want to do is we want to get the query. Did we do that before on the post type? Get queried object. Yeah, we can do that again. Let's do that. And let's just var dump that out. Post type. There we go. So we want term. We want post type name. So we don't need this is 404. Actually, we could probably just get this post to do this. Are we already doing it? Let's have a look. We're not. Okay, so post type dash name, I think it is for the archive page. There we go. Category uncategorized. And in this, in our breadcrumbs actually, let's change our, let's go back to our breadcrumbs, into our helpers, and in our breadcrumbs is archive. That's all we need to do there, is that one there. So let's just copy that. We get exactly the same thing, so we can, but we don't need to do that query. And in our, so in the archive, we want to get, are we doing a get queried object in here? No, we're not. Post type, no. We want if is archive, so we want post type equals, so we've got to do what we did over here in the, oh, did it here. So we want that, but we're now working in the archive hero. We want that. So in this one, we want this post type. And back to our helpers, So we want is archive. Let's do this, and this one we want to do post type dash label. Cool. So now if we refresh, what happened there? Oh, let's just do this. Keep it the way it was. Add this back in. Add this back in. Boom, boom, and we do the same thing here. Label. No. That's not right. No, that's not right. What's going on? Let's go var dump that var dump post type. Oops. Yeah. Post type dash name. That's what I've done wrong. Cool. So this is wrong now, our helpers. All right, so we don't want get in the archive. We want archive page, archive type, taxonomy type. No, I want to display what category it is. Get the term on archive page. Yeah, that's what we want. Get current term. So is it that one? Let's try that. Term is archive. Let's do this. Just get rid of this for now. And let's just comment that out. var dump term will output, so we're getting the queried object. Let's have a look now. If we go here, let's go. That didn't output anything. So it's under all of that. Let's copy this though. Let's just undo all of that. All right. Are we archive? We should be archive. We're on archive. Echo test. No. Oh, we're up here. var dump category. Let's have a look. Here we go. So in this one, let's do this. If this category, yep, term, oops. Let's get rid of that. And let's var dump that out. Term. So what I'm doing is I don't want uncategorized here and here. I want this to say category. But if I'm not on a category, I wanted to say anything else, something else. What? Let's try this, get queried object. There we go. That's still giving me my term. Get taxonomy for term. That's what I want by term ID. So term is get term. So we're going to query here. And then we want term equals get term by term dash ID. If we look, term ID. Now if we refresh, actually query. Sorry, query. Ooh. There we go. Taxonomy. No, we want get taxonomy query. Is that right? Right, leave it with me. I'm going to come back and tell you in a second. Okay, so let's do this. Welcome back. So you see I've got it working. So I was right with getting the queried object, getting the term, but I just had to get the taxonomy there and then the label for single label. So we're putting that there, but I don't need it to be a anchor now. So I'm just going to get rid of the anchor tag because there's no link for that. And we're going to do that. So now, but we want it to be, so I want it to be text white still. So we'll go text, we'll add that class, text white, refresh. There we go. So now we got it all working. So we're in the categories and we're in the category uncategorized. So now we need to output that content. So let's close all and let's go to our home template part and our projects. So this is where we've got our projects. Well, let's delete all these commented out code. Just delete all that. Cool. And now we just want to go in here, add this. Actually, we also want, let's just get all of this for now. We'll do it, yeah, we'll get all of this. We'll go to our home.php. Oh no, we're in here. Contact news card. Oh, we're not in, oh, sorry. Go to our archive.php. Add that in there. Let's refresh. So, all right, let's do, let's go pre heading. And like we did in the thing, we want to get the, and do this. So let's output this. And so this will be the tax. Oops, archive. This will be tax. And this will be term dash name. Alright, so then we can get rid of these if terms. We don't need that. We're not doing any filters. And now we're going to go back to our index.php. We're going to go if has posts while have posts. So instead of doing this loop, let's just close that so I can stop going that one. If have posts while have post. And let's just go end while and if. Copy that in there. All right, and in here we're going to go news card, and we want this to be post and post. There we go. So now we're getting all the posts in this uncategorized category. So that's all we need to do. It'll just loop through. It'll be paginated because we've got the pagination in there set to 10 because we're doing 2. We can leave it as 10. That is fine. So that finishes off. I'll just recap that. So in the hero, we created a new hero where we were outputting the category name in here. We updated the breadcrumbs to, instead of showing uncategorized and linking back to where we already were, it shows the parent of category. We're doing then in the archive.php, we're getting our same code here, the category, outputting that category name, and then we're getting all the posts for those categories, which will be paginated. So that brings us to the very end of our series and creating this templates part. So hope you've got a lot out of it. I hope it's been of benefit to you. Drop me any comments. I will do what I can to help you. This will be, I'll put all the links in each of the descriptions to all the pages that I've referenced, and I will also, there will also be a link into this very template here. So you will be able to go and get it at your leisure. All right, guys, thanks very much again for watching and persevering. Like I said, hope you got a lot out of it. Hit me up. If you need a site, want us to host anything, let me know. Reach us out, simplyweb.com.au. See ya.